Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Check this thing out. Usually I know what's going on here, but we've got stickers that have been placed on top of the standard code here. HFX54, maybe we've seen that before. If it is like a store exclusive, I don't remember what it is. The two A's here suggest that this might be an A case. I know that many people have already opened up an A case. So I'm not entirely sure what this is. It might just be a standard A case. This is what they're going to look like with the stickers. Maybe you guys have watched other unboxings and seen this. I'm not entirely sure. When Mattel sends me things, sometimes they tell me what's coming. Like last time they said, hey, we're sending you a Kroger case, so I knew what it was. In this case, it might be an A case. Now, I've not seen the Q case yet. So anyway, let's just open it up, right? Well, you probably know already because I probably put it in the title. But this is the fun thing. I just open these up as I go. If Mattel sends me a case or A&J Toys sends me a case, my job is just to open them and show you what is inside. So let's learn together, right? That's what is fun here. Get this folded over. Okay, so I'm already seeing stuff that we've recognized before. So let's just go. Red editions, that's what we have. Target red edition, so this would be equivalent of the P case. So I've done a P case unboxing, and now we have the red editions, and we already have two of them right here. 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback. We've seen it in, I know green, I can't remember what the other color was one, but this is fantastic. Red, or sorry, black with red stripes. You'll just see them in all kinds of different configurations, right? Just as long as there's red somewhere. So there we go. We've already resolved this. We've seen the mod rod before recolor. And then the second one is the Ram Charger, 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon with the Ram Chargers logo, which is an homage to the funny car, right? So this one is kind of cool. Love the stripes on top. This one looks awesome. I think we've seen it only in white. All right, so highlights. Let's see what the third one is. And just see what else we've got in here. Dodge Challenger SRT. That's a standard SRT. There's the recolor of the Silhouette Works GT Nissan. All right. LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTRR version 2. Said it once, don't need to say it multiple times. And then the carbonator. There's our third red edition. 2018 Camaro SS. By the way, they always say red on them, right? So where's the red on this? Oh, right there. On the B pillar, C pillar. And where's the red on this one? Oh, right in the back. So there are our three red editions. Is that it for the year? Yeah, so this is number 10 is the Camaro, number 11 is the Mustang, and 12 is the Dodge Challenger. So look at that. How about representations of the big three here in the US, huh? Full muscle there. Camaro, Mustang, and Challenger. You cannot get more muscle than that, right? Even though a couple of them are modern. Nice. All right, let's get through the rest of them. Cockney Cab and the Track Ripper. We can go through these quickly, maybe see how many we get. Pagani Zonda R we've seen. There's another Camaro and the Mod Rod. I'm curious how many red editions you get in this case. Volvo 250 Drift Wagon, we've seen that one. There's the 1986 Toyota van, another Dodge Challenger. Love the recolor of the van. Aston Martin Vantage GTE. Pagani again, and then the Mod Rod again. Already seen a lot of repeats so far. 5-alarm Drone Duty, and there's the 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback again. So we've got two of those. Look at that. The back of that card took a rough beating. All right. Another Camaro and Challenger, and there is the recolor of the Lolix. Another Challenger and Camaro, so we're doing well on those. Volkswagen Baja Bug. Twin Mill, La Fasta, and the Dodge Challenger. No, Charger, sorry. 5-alarm, Drone Duty, and La Fasta. I remember saying that, thinking that the P case was not the most like spectacular case, and you can see that kind of in what we're looking at here. Shelby Cobra recolor, the Velocita, and then another Mustang. So we're doing really well. It seems like the Red Edition cases have always been they're kind of loaded, right? You get a lot of the Red Editions, which is what you want. Chevy Fleetline, another Camaro, and the Turbine Sublime. Range Rover Classic, MST Suzuka, and the La Troca. Big Air Bel Air, another Ram Charger, and the Borla Silverado. And I'm getting a lot of these Red Editions. It's nice. Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTR version 2 Shelby Cobra, and there is your 32 Ford. If it were in Spectre Flame, that would be a super treasure hunt, but it is not. And again, I don't know how many people have actually pulled supers from the Zamac, and I know it happens, but it seems that they're more rare in these cases than they are in the standard cases. I don't know if I pulled, I know in like a GameStop case I did pull it, but super at one point. Kmart cases too, but I don't know if I've ever pulled one from Red Edition in a Zamac case. Toyota, there's the Turbine Sublime Toyota GR Super, which is nice, and there's the DiMacchini Veloce, which is also nice. La Troca, Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR, and then the DiMacchini Veloce again. Range Rover Classic, Lucid Air, and the Drone Duty. One of my favorites of the year, that fantastic Audi Avant RS2. Camaro again. Mustang again. Man, we are loaded on the reds. TV Series Batmobile. Silverado again. Max Steel again. I think again. Altered Ego. This time I know that the Muscle and Blown is the regular treasure hunt. I did not notice that the last time. In fact, I think I was actually holding this in front of the camera saying, if you guys know what this regular treasure hunt is, let me know. But I don't know if we've seen it yet, and we had. There's the symbol right there, and then symbol on the card, and then on the model itself. Where is it? I know I saw it at one point. Huh. No, I can't find it. Is it? I mean, that deco's kind of messed up, but maybe it's supposed to be on that. Hot Wheels Drift Club. I don't know where the symbol is. Thought I saw it last time when I figured out that this was the... Oh, it's in the eye, I think. And it's so messed up that I don't know. Is it the dot on the eye? Anyway, we know it's the regular because of the card. Who knows? Spend enough time on that. Not that important. Electrac, Lucid Air, and the Automobili Pininfarina Battista in blue, which was a red edition in the last bit of red editions. And then to finish off, Mercury Cougar, fantastic Mazda RX-7, and another 2x2 Fastback. So let's see what we got here. Put this up like this. Let's see how many Mustangs. Well, we'll just set them all out here. I'll even push this down a little bit. Mustang, Camaro, and Challenger. Look at this. Mustang, Challenger, Camaro, Mustang, Challenger, Camaro, 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 Challenger, Mustang, Camaro. So we pulled 5 Mustangs, 6 Camaros, and 4 Challengers. Not bad. I feel if they're going to do these kind of cases with the store exclusives, load them up, because that's what I think people want them, right? So load them up so a lot of people can get them. So that's nice to see that assortment. That is the P-Case Red Edition, the Target Red Edition case. Should be out soon. If I got it from Mattel, it means it's in the distribution center now. Thanks, everybody. Bye.